Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, I received an opportunity to deliver a speech in hygiene. No wonder healthy community makes the nation stronger. Dear audience, we are the generation rising in pandemic situations. We have coped the bad situations of coronavirus only through hygiene and healthy lifestyle. Oops, my dear friends, when I woke up in the morning and getting ready for school, my mom says that wash your hands and do not touch your eyes as there is a contagious eye infection spreading out. When I want to go for swimming, it whispers in my ears that there is a Neigleria virus entering from our nose and can damage our brains. Do not fear, my friends. Just be aware that only through personal and community hygiene we can be safe and can enjoy treasures of Allah Almighty. How about leaving pizza, shawarma, burger, candies, and ice lollies? Keeping in mind that health is wealth and a sound mind is in a sound body, good hygiene helps to prevent the spread of diseases and illness. My dear friends, drinking sufficient fluids helps to remove toxin from our body and can boost our immunity. My dear fellows, I want to end my speech on note that to keep me neat and clean, I maintain health and hygiene. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take bath and exercise every day. I wash my hands before and after meal. I trim my nails and cleaner I feel. I eat fruits and vegetables which make me healthy and stronger. Hygiene is a key to good health and health is wealth.